video we are going to learn how we can browse file and open the selected file in Excel. Then we will learn how to open our workbook and write something inside the workbook and save it and close the workbook again using VBA. So we will learn 5 things. First, we will ask the user to select the file and the selected file will open. After that, then we will learn how to open file by putting the file name manually. Then we will write something inside the sheet of the opening workbook. Then we will save the workbook again, and lastly we will close the workbook. So for this we have to click on the developer tab and we can open the Visual Basic editor. Also you can open the Visual Basic editor by click shortcut key Alt plus F11. I have already used the Visual Basic editor here. For browsing the file and open file in Excel, you have to first declare the variable. I have declared my file as a string and my file equal to application.getOpen file name. Then I have write workbooks.open. So my file will store the file path. Then workbooks.open will open the specific path file, that means the selected file. So let's see how it's work. Just press F5 or click here in the run button. It will give you a dialog box. So I'm going to open the impressive Excel chart. I'm just select here this impressive Excel chart. You can see the selected file name is showing here. And just press open, so it will open. Let's see. See, this is opening. Now I have closed the file which I have opened by using the browsing option. Now we will learn how to open, how to write something inside the sheet, and how to save and how to close the workbook. So what I will do, I will comment that portion so that it will not execute it, and I will uncomment this portion. First, I will show you how to open a workbook by putting the file name only. Then I will show you how you can open the workbook by putting the full path with the file name and also file extension on. So let's see. It will open the impressive Excel chart and it will write down in the sheet 2 range C1 to C10 CT tutorial. Then it will save and it will close again. Windows left arrow. We will test one by one. For this we will use the F8 or click on the step into button. So it will open first the impressive Excel chart. You can see it has opened. Then just click here and press Windows right arrow. then again press F8. It is saved and now it will close automatically. See, now we will check that if the CT tutorial has been written in the sheet 2 or not. So for this I will go to the folder and I will open that file. I will check, yes, it has written CT tutorial. So what will happen if we put the full path? Let's that part also. I'm just closing this. I'm just removing the file name, and instead of this I'm putting the full file path. Then click on the run button. So it is asking for save and close. So let's see it's written in the sheet 2, C1 to C10 CT tutorial or not. Just check, yes, it has written. So we have learned 2 different ways to open Excel workbook, and if you want to close, this is the one part, this is the one code by which you can specify the workbook's name, and after that just put the close text, so it will automatically close. So if you want to close all the workbooks, then what you will do, you will just write down workbooks dot close. If you wanted to close the active workbook only, then you need to write down active workbook dot if you want to close the first workbook which has been opened, then you need to write down workbooks, inside the bracket you need to put the index number, then close. First, I hope that will make you understand how you open a workbook using the VBA, how you close the workbook using the VBA. So that's it for this video. If you want to learn more, please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.